Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into Moodle, one of the most powerful open source platform for managing online education. I will walk you through how to sign up, explore its feature and also how to access Moodle Academy, which is packed with free training for anyone using platform. Even you have never used Moodle, just see this tutorial and you able to use that. So why Moodle? Moodle is trusted by thousands of teachers, colleges and organizations around the world. Whether you are running a course, delivering assignments or creating learning activities, Moodle helps you to do it all online. Best part is it is completely free and open source, meaning anyone can use it and modify it and scale it up. Now, by the end of this video, you will know how to use it. Now, set up your Moodle account, understand the dashboard, navigate the core features, and unlock the Moodle Academy for advanced learning. Let's create a Moodle account. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this website, which is Moodle, and from there you have to click on the create account, or what you can do is just simply click on the login over here. So please complete the captcha below to continue. Click on the verify you are a human, and then from here, if you don't have an account, what you have to do is just simply scroll down a little bit. You will get to see this create a new account and simply click that. Now enter your age and country. Then example, my age is for this tutorial and I'm an Indian, and proceed. Now you will see full organization form here what you need to fill. So as you can see, they have given the Moodle open source site policy and privacy, and scroll down a little bit and just click on the next, and just click on the next. So are they before continuing to acknowledge all the policy? Okay, I have to agree the cookies and policy. Make sure you have agree all the privacy and notes before proceeding further. Click on the next, and here we go. You will be asked to accept all the things, and then here you will have to fill all the information, which is username, password, email address, email again to confirm, and then first name, last name, town and your country, and then you have to click verify that you are not a robot. Just I will add that maker, and the password will be this one, and the email address is tech. Oh, I will put it the random, and again, and what is my first name. For this tutorial I am using my maker name John, and city is Mumbai. You can put your city, select the country and click on the I am not robot. Then you have to solve the captcha, which is I have to select the cards, then click on the verify. Now again there is something error, yes, and click on the create account. Now maker, I think I have the name is already exists, so what I will do is just add some numbers. Again I have to click on the cards. I think this process is very lengthy, and click on the create account. So I have saved and continue. So now I have to log in with email and password. Click on the name, the maker 212, and they have sended me to confirm the email. This is the temp mail. You can use it for sign upping website or doing, this is a virtual email basically. Now I have verified and just Click. You are already logged in as a maker. You need to log out before logging in a different user. Just click on log out. So this process sometimes make difficult to you. Click on the login again and you are in the website. Now once all that's done, hit create new account. Then you are right now in. Now explore the module dashboard. This is the dashboard, and when you log in you will land on this home page. At the top you will get to see the navigation bar where three three main tabs, which is home. This is where you will find updates, community news and platform resources. And there is a second one which is dashboard, which is where you can show all your recent activities, enrolled communities and courses. Now if you go into my courses, a direct shortcut to every course you are enrolled in teaching. On the right hand side, click on your profile icon to access your profile, calendar, private files, and reports and language settings. It's clean, easy layout, and you will feel at home after just few minutes. Now, accessing Module Academy. Okay, now for one of the most powerful part of the module is Module Academy. If you want to learn Module like a pro, Module Academy is where you go. From your model dashboard, just go into dashboard, scroll down a little bit till find resources and learnings. No, you have to go to the home, not in the dashboard. Scroll down a little bit, you will get to see get involved, popular community links. So you can find these things. Now just scroll down and find resources and learnings. And in the resources and learning, you will get to see Module Academy. Now just simply click on that. You will notice something strange over here. You have been logged out. As you can see here, they are saying to log in again. So don't panic. That's because Module Academy requires a separate account. But the good news is you can use the same email address you used before. Now click on the sign up again. Either you are using email or Google or Microsoft account. Now just simply click on the login again. Now you have to verify yourself over here. Just give a second. Now enter your email, or I will add my password, email or username which you have created, and login. Hit login button. So I think there is a problem with the email, and click on the, there is a problem I think, and you can use Google account or you can create an account as well. I will choose the Google for this tutorial and click on the continue and wait for a few seconds. Now they have sent me a email for verification. I will just go into my Gmail and verify that. As you can see here, they have sent me an email. Just verify that and restart that page. And or you can just simply continue it. So yeah, now click on the next after the verification of your account. So I think I have to click on this. Oh, okay, I'm already in the Model Academy. I'm just skipping the privacy and policy. Next. So before I continue, I have to agree on the privacy policy of this website. I agree with the marketing option. Click on that and hit the next. So welcome to the Academy, skip tour, and from here, as you can see here, there is two option, and that's it. You have now part of Model account. Now one side Model Academy has three two main options, which is dashboard and my courses. So there is a three option actually. Whenever I click on my courses or home, it will say me only two options. So yeah, that's the glitch maybe. So home is where you get essential information and policies and updates. Make sure to accept the Moodle Academy policies before continuing. And the second is dashboard, which is where you can choose your activities, upcoming events, find you can find courses and featured program as well. Now in the my courses, you will get to see display all the courses you have enrolled earlier. You can search and sort and track your progress easily here, whether you want to become a certified model educator or just learn the basics. It's all free and accessible here. Now, let's recap. Model might not be the flashiest tool or out there, but it is flexible and open source. Uh, if you talk about nature wise, makes it solid and choice for anyone serious about online education. And yeah, that's a wrap up of this beginner friendly module guide. If you found this video helpful, you can give a video a thumb and subscribe for more walkthrough like this. And let me know in the comment if you would like to deep dive into creating your own course on model or exploring plugins to customize your experience. So thanks for watching.